Most people don't know this simple kitchen trick for pests, but my grandma used it for years. If you're tired of seeing unwanted guests in your kitchen, you probably already have the solution in your pantry. Start with 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is your bait. The sugar helps attract the pests because they can't resist the sweetness. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This is the key ingredient that does the heavy lifting. Mix them together well. You want a consistent blend so they can't pick out the sugar. Once it's mixed, place the powder onto a small piece of soft bread or inside a shallow container, like a jar lid. Next, put it in areas where pests usually hide. Focus on spots like under the sink, behind appliances, or near floor corners. If you have a larger kitchen, place several in different spots to make sure they find it. It's safe, but always remember to keep it out of reach from children and curious pets. This natural method is easy, cheap, and effective. Give it a try and see the difference. Don't forget to like and follow for more home hacks.